Now this illustration deals with plaster rings and extension rings in accordance with NEC 314.16A1. Now notice every problem that we've seen so far asks a question. So does this one. What size square box with an extension ring is required to contain 21 number 12 conductors? Use the minimum size. Now, with that information, step one, we begin the count using again 314.16B1 through B5 is applicable, and table 314.16A is an apple, using the extension ring for greater field area. So we have 21 number 12s, and those 21 number 12s, when we reviewed NEC table 314.16A, we would need a 4 and 11 16-inch box by 1 1/4 inch with an extension ring, and that would double the amount of area by 2 in most all cases. So the solution, we would need a 4 and 11/16 by 1 1/4 inch square box with an extension ring. And note with the ring, 22 number 12 conductors may be housed and enclosed by the square box, including the extension ring.